Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. If you ever want to make a flower that's not symmetrical or even and more like it would be in Mother Nature, it's really pretty easy. I'm going to take a polygon and set it on 5-sided. Now take your shape tool and just delete one of these nodes, which makes it just 5 nodes. Then go over and get your distort tool and just move it kind of slowly, and then you can kind of move it, down and up, and, that's pretty symmetrical. So if you would take it and move it, well, you need to kind of go slow. But see, I don't know how I got it so non-symmetrical the first time. There we go. And then go to about right there. Now, take a ellipse and it will snap to the center of that, or at least be on a node, and then hit the plus key and make a second one. And then if you'll take this and weld it, and the reason I did that, now I can hold down the shift key and move that in a little bit, make it a little bit smaller, and then I can nudge it right back and I've got it like that. And then of course you can do anything you want to with it. We'll make the inside brown and the outside, let's just make it a bright yellow. And then of course you want to take away the outline, but you could make, several of those and have some sort of even, I guess is the more word. It's pretty symmetrical, but like this leaf is longer. And I'm pretty sure you could probably take it and still change it and make it longer like that. And maybe even, kind of add a node and make it, maybe make it not quite as perfect and do things like that. Anyway, just a little bit of information. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.